Welcome to Ditto Insurance. My name is Kavya and today we will be talking about CareJoy, which is one of the most famous maternity plans out there. First, we will look at who should consider this policy. This plan is well suited for newly married couples who might need maternity, people who need newborn coverage, and people who need security against birth defects. So, how good is Care compared to other players in the market? First, let's look at the 3-year claim settlement ratio. Now, Care is at 91%, which compared to other players in the market is pretty decent. Next, we have the 3-year average incurred claim ratio. For Care, it stands at 58%, which is pretty good considering that we look at 55% to 75% as a good score. Next up is network hospitals and centers. So Care has a network hospitals of 9400, which is pretty decent given other contemporaries are also in the same range. Lastly, we have 3-year average volume of complaints. Now this is where Care gets a little trouble because in 10,000 claims, Care gets at least 31 complaints, which is comparatively a higher number if you look at HDFC. Next, we will look at variants and other key differences. So CareJoy has two variants, Joy Today and Joy Tomorrow. In terms of features, the maternity coverage for a 3 lakh Joy Today and 3 lakh Joy Tomorrow is the same, that is 35,000. And for a 5 lakh variant, it is 50,000 in both the cases. Even the newborn cover is same for both the variants, that is for a 3 lakh variant, it's 30k, whereas a 5 lakh variant has 50k cover. Now we're gonna talk about the differences. Maternity waiting periods for Joy Today is 9 months, whereas Joy Tomorrow is 24 months. That means you have to wait for these many months before you make a maternity related claim. And lastly, the newborn defect cover, for which Joy Today has no cover, but Joy Tomorrow has a cover of 50k. Next up is eligibility criteria. Now, the policy document says that 18 to 65 years के बीच में कोई भी ये plan ले सकता है. But when you go on their website to buy the plan, the limit is up to 45 years. And for a child, it is from day 1 to 24 years of age. Coming to the PED restrictions, only benign conditions जैसे high BP, hypothyroid, hernia, only these are accepted. The features we're gonna talk about right now are already covered in detail in this video. So to learn more, you can tap that video and check them out. Oh, if you're new here, here's a little about Ditto. We're an insurance advisory platform built by FinShots, India's favorite new age newsletter. हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं ऑनेस्ट और स्पैम फ्री इंश्योरेंस एडवाइस अबाउट हेल्थ एंड टर्म इंश्योरेंस. पहले तो वी विल नेवर पुश यू टू बाय. आपको जितना टाइम लेना है आप लीजिए. And if you do choose to buy from us, we will guide you through the entire journey as well as the claim settlement process. This way you can sit back, take your time to weigh your options and buy when you want to buy. We are available on calls as well as WhatsApp, so talk to us at the link in description. Let's look at the basic policy features. Room rent restriction. Now this policy has a room rent restriction of single private AC room, which is pretty decent, but in general we recommend a plan which does not have a room rent restriction at all. Co-payment. So if you enter the plan after 61 years, you might have to take a 20% co-pay clause. But like we said, there's a mismatch between what the policy document says and what you can buy. So check that out. Coming to disease-wise sublimits, thankfully there are none. And it covers 30 days of pre-hospitalization expenses and 60 days of post-hospitalization expenses. Even the daycare treatments are covered up to the sum assured. However, domiciliary expenses, Ayush treatments and free annual health checkups are not covered. In fact, this plan does not even have a restoration benefit. What is restoration benefit? For example, you have a plan of 10 lakhs and you use 2 lakh to make a claim. Now, some plans might give you a restoration of 2 lakhs back into your cover. So again, you have a 10 lakh rupee cover for that year. This whole thing is called restoration benefit. However, Care Health Insurance mentions on their website that there's a restoration benefit, but the plan does not really offer one. Waiting periods. This plan has an initial waiting period of 30 days, which is standard. The PED waiting periods is 4 years, which is slightly high comparatively. This plan also has a 2-year waiting period for specific illnesses. And as we discussed, there is a 9-month waiting period for CareJoy Today on maternity and same 24 months for CareJoy Tomorrow. Here is a complete list of their specific illnesses under the plan. So for these issues, you will have to wait for 2 years before you make a claim. Now let's get into the standout features. Maternity coverage. This plan will give you pre and postnatal expenses under this cover. So if you have a 3 lakh cover, you will get 35,000 of maternity coverage, and if you have a 5 lakh cover, then it is 50k. But as we mentioned, please keep in mind the waiting periods. CareJoy also provides coverage for your newborn up to 90 days. So if you have a cover of 3 lakh, the newborn cover would be 30,000, and if it is 5 lakh, then it is 50,000. Additionally, CareJoy Tomorrow offers 50k for any birth defects your newborn might have. Let's come to the add-ons. Although this add-on is not live yet, we will be talking about No Claim Bonanza, where you get 100% of your sum assured as bonus if you do not make a claim for 3 years. So, how much does this plan cost? For this, we have drawn a comparison between CareJoy Today and Niva Bupa Aspire Platinum Plus. So, for an adult of 30 years of age, the premiums would be around 74,000 in CareJoy. However, in Niva Bupa, the premiums would be 30,000. For 2 adults of 30 years of age, CareJoy Today would give a plan at 82,000, but Niva Bupa Aspire Platinum Plus would be at 42,000, which is much cheaper. Now, if we look at a family floater for 2 adults and 1 child, CareJoy Today would cost you around 86,000, whereas Niva Bupa would cost you around 54,000. So as you can see, the features of both these plans are pretty comparable, but CareJoy Today बहुत ही महंगा है. Similarly, we have compared CareJoy Tomorrow with Niva Bupa Aspire Diamond Plus and Niva Bupa Health Premia Silver. As you can see, the premiums for this is also very high. Okay, apart from the premiums, are there any issues with this plan? Yes, limited sum assured. So as we discussed, this plan offers a cover of 3 lakh or 5 lakh, which might not be enough given how the medical costs are increasing. So it might be inadequate for you. Limited features. CareJoy has a lot of limits like room rent restrictions, co-pay clause, etc., which is not ideal. Matlab basic features are there, we get it, but there are a lot of good features which other plans might offer at a cheaper rate. Pricey premiums. For the features that CareJoy is offering, there are other plans in the market that can give you these features at much less premiums. Room rent restrictions. As we said, we recommend plans having no room rent restrictions as such, and this plan has one. So if you exceed this restriction, you will have to pay a very large share of your medical bill, which is not ideal. Anyway, you're paying high premiums. One another thing. CareJoy requires you to make a 3-year payment, which means 3 साल के premiums एक साथ. Already premiums इतने high है, वो भी 3 साल के would be very heavy on your pocket. So what does Ditto recommend? See, the premiums are very high. So even if you took like a normal health plan and saved all that money, आपका maternity coverage में उतना ही खर्चा होता. So it doesn't make a lot of sense to pay so high premiums for something which you would be able to afford without one as well. So are there any better alternatives? Maybe. One, your corporate plan might offer you maternity cover. So if you opt one there, you don't need to get a separate coverage. 2. Niva Bupa itself has a few plans which have better features, better coverage and affordable premium. For example, plans like Niva Bupa Health Premia and Aspire might offer you better features at affordable premiums. However, Niva Bupa के साथ our experience has not been ideal. एक छोटे से डेंगू जैसे केस के लिए we had to go through a lot of back and forth, which is not ideal when you're making a claim. You're already very busy with your own things. So ideally, we would recommend an insurer where there is less back and forth like this. So finally, maternity cover लेना ऐसा कोई बहुत necessary नहीं है. You can go for a simple health insurance also. But what you want to take is ultimately your call. So if you want to understand more about it or find the right health insurance plan for you, talk to us at Ditto Insurance. The link is in the description. Like, share and subscribe. Happy insurance hunting.